name is Roland Wessling, and I'm on the Scientific Advisory Board of the Carbon Monoxide Inquiry 2014, led by Baroness Finlay. I'm on this advisory board for two reasons. The first one is that I myself have been a victim of carbon monoxide. My partner and I were in a carbon monoxide poisoning incident in a tent on a campsite in 2011, which I barely survived and my partner did not. But I'm also a forensic scientist, and as a scientist-victim, I'm one of the scientific advisors to Baroness Finlay for her report. This report is an update of the 2011 report by Baroness Finlay, and this inquiry wants to now broaden the focus more on people. In the past, we have often looked at carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is often referred to as the silent killer. It cannot be smelled, cannot be detected by any sense other than an alarm. And very few people have alarms. This is why it is a public health risk, although we don't even quite know how large a risk it is, but we know that people die every year of it, and many more people get injured every year. The inquiries in the past have very much looked at the source of the problem, the carbon monoxide, the substance that harms people. And this inquiry tries to broaden this by looking at people's behaviour. And it is not about attaching blame to anyone. It's not trying to say you're not allowed to do this, that or the other. What we're trying to do is help the individual to deal better with the risk of carbon monoxide, but also companies that make equipment that have anything to do with carbon monoxide or with any particular industry, like caravans, boats, or tents, or camping in general. And we're trying to bring what has been already achieved in public campaigning together with all that we know has not been achieved yet. And we're trying to advise at the end of this inquiry the entire spectrum in the population, from organizations, governments potentially, all the way down to every single individual, and try to assist them with burning fossil fuels safer.